Chamgei jitab Kalenjin itagaten logoiwekab emet chebo Kass TV kigurena Jacqueline Arusei. Kakomwa Deputy Secretary nebo kibagengeitab Kenya National Union of Nurses mornetab Narok Philip Chanui kole angot ko maisuldae serikalitab county nebo Narok kayonjinet nebo CBA nekoityi akichek eng tarik 19 arawani kobendi icheket kongeleljin boisiet asikoteb imandanywa. Kosubkei ak Chanui konyalu eng serikalitab Narok kosuldae CBA notok eng katakchinetab ketesyi icheket melekwak konamgei ak promotion nekinyor alage eng ichek.
Philip Chanui, Deputy Secretary General nebo Kenya National Union of Nurses ak Midwives en Narok County. En inguni komi strike notice nekikikochi from National Office kikochi counties. Miten strike notice nekikikochi counties nekiyoche koik effective from tarehe 3 arawani bo 8. Kosubkei ak noton kokichupchech cancellation team through Labour Office en Narok. Koen tarikit 19 kibakeng'alal ak mwa kele kibendi en koyonjinet nebo CBA noton keker tuguk chemiten orit chekikakimwa kong'eten 2017 return to work formula chekitinye ng'alekab grading of nurses, ng'alekab salaries ak ng'alekab benefits alak. Ko en yoniton ko koking'alal ak kele kibendi kekosyine asikokondewech siyet county komait tarikit 2 en arawani bo 9. Ko ye makiyai kou noton kemwoe akine kit neisibu. Ng'olyot age nebo oeng ko en nguni kokatangazanda nafas nebo kiboitinik chekisire county government nebo Narok ne en nguni kekonye listitab keshortlisten. Ko kosubkei ak echeket ko kikiker kele tuten position chon kokikoi nurses 45 ako kikimoe 214 nurses. En nguni ko 45 which is a drop in a sea. So kesome county government koker kole okot ngebendi kesire bichoton kikoi priorities biik chekuren volunteers chon koyoe kasisiek en sipitalisiek chebo Narok County tugul. Ko nebo kora kesome kotes position noton asikoik effective ng'alekab healthcare en Narok County. Ko en ng'olyot age komiten our members chekikoi promotion kong'eten 2024 kotom kikochi arrears. So kesome noniton ako en atkan nguni komiten chelewanetab mshahara nekikokeker kokoik koimutik en membaekyok amun kochelewan mshahara koaffecteni tuguk chechang. Mi biik cheliponi korik sikomeny komongen landlord kole tom koit mshahara. So kisome county koker kole kaeffecten ng'alekab salaries to be paid on time.
En kereng'ung ko tos imuche counties kotelelchi ministry nebo tililindo anan nyolu kewekta kwa national kou yekiamwa besyo?
En nguni kosubkei ak konyonyet nemiten ko kikiker kele yoche keformen a commission netononjin ng'alekab kiboitinik en counties tugul. Yemonon kimuche kewekta personnel koba national government sikemanagenen yoton sikobek tabusiek chu bo ng'alekab salaries, delays ak tuguchan tugul. Nguni national government ng'alekab health kekere kokocharikunan Adan Duale konde line ng'alekab health programs especially kikere ng'alekab SHA chekokonam kobois ak ng'alekab personnel kora from the national government kekere komiten line. So kikere kele tinye mpango nekararan en department nebo health.
Tos ne en kereng'ung walutik chenyolu keyai asikobois komie SHA amun nan ikose konyonyet en oldage?
En SHA nguni kesome government koker kole en ng'alekab premium chon kiliponi koker kole matkelipan annual at least at every 2 to 3 months sikelipan siko effective amun ibekerte number of community members che affordeni kolipan annually komi ng'weny despite the fact that komiten program number Hustler kekere kele ma effective nguni amun current rate nekikochin biikab Hustler funds ko maamut kolipanchi SHA noton. So kisome nguni koreducen ng'alekab duration nebo payment nebo SHA premium from 1 year to 3 to 4 months.
Kakorirtae Cabinet Secretary nebo ripsetab kalyet eng emet orit Kipchumba Murkomen chamaitab DCP eng mwaet kole mainaisiechi police akobo igorta nekotetat koyai eng betutab amut eng mwaet kole maimuch konyor ripset neyamat kosubkei ak nemainaisiechi ribikab kalyet kotinygei ak igorta nekotindoi icheket. Akot konotok kokakokoito somet Murkomen eng kandoikab bolotet koker kole kaimuch kong'ololjin ak police asikomuch konyor ripset neyamat.
That we do not condone any kind of violence by anybody, and we request political leaders to cooperate with police officers in all the investigations related to violence. We want everybody to carry out their political activities in a peaceful environment, and we don't want violence. I know that when I said 3 days ago that we were requesting members of political party that wanted to hold a political activity yesterday, when I said that they need to notify the police, I heard one of their leaders, former senator, saying that they have no obligation to notify the police and that they don't need the police to hold a meeting. So unfortunately, as a result of the absence of that notification yesterday, the police were not aware about what was going to happen, which route, what place. I wish they had heeded to my advice. The reason why the law says you notify the police is not because it's not that the police so that the police can give you the right to hold meetings. No, it's just for the police to provide security and to give right security advice to the citizens of Kenya. Had we sat down and cooperated with the police officers, I don't think the situation would have happened yesterday in the manner in which it did, because the police would have taken prior notice of what's happening, provided clear the routes, and provide also advice. In the National Police Service, we don't advise only people who are in government. We advise also every citizen, including those in opposition, on the best thing to do security-wise as they carry out their security activities. I insist, for avoidance of doubt, that anybody who wants to have a public event, it is important to notify the police and to cooperate with the police officers. We do not want situations where people refuse to notify the police, insist on having political activities notwithstanding police advice, and then go ahead to blame the same police. Yet prior to that, they were saying they don't need the police. So we need each other, and everybody needs the police officers in terms of dealing with these issues. Otherwise, those events will be investigated. Anybody will be found culpable, regardless of their political standing, will be held accountable. Anybody who organized for people to be stoned, journalists who were hurt, we will take a very stern action against any person who is involved.
Tesetai serikalitab county nebo Uasin Gishu ak katililetab ainosiek mising eng kokwatinwek asikobit kokochi boroindo biikab emet konyorune kelchin eng boisionik che terter. Kinyoru report kobun Isaac Ogei.
Tinye amune asikobor boiboiyet meng'ikab Chemng'oror eng komosta nebo Ainabkoi akobo katililetab dam nemwoe kole bendi konyorune beek chetililen eng boisionik che terter.
Bwana Gavana, sisi tunashukuru wewe, tunashukuru timu yako ya ground kwa kazi ile umetufanyia. Hii dam iko na system mbili ya maji, kuna moja ya ng'ambo ya Tiluonin na wengine ya Chemng'oror. Na hii ni shukrani sana kwa county na serikali yako.
Ilosu icheket kakwautiet nekoib serikalitab county nebo Uasin Gishu kong'es daminotok mitei eng kwenutab ainosiek chotok chekomatakonyorune kelchin eng boisionikab beek.
Tumefurahi sana Bwana Gavana kwa juhudi ambayo umetusaidia. Tumeona kazi yako kabisa na tumefurahi tukiwa wakaaji wa Chemng'oror.
Koboisie mashinishek cheboisie muswoknatetab kasari eng katililetab bechotok komwoe meng'ichotok bo Chemng'oror kole kelchin mising eng biikab kokwotinwek konyor boisionikab serikalishekab counties koityi icheket eng nyumnyumindo. Kosubkei ak Eli Koech, Chief Officer nebo beek eng county nebo Uasin Gishu, komwoe ine kole nitok agenge eng ainosiek anan dams chesire 300 chetesetai kotilili eng noto nebo konaga biik beek eng kokwatinwek konyor beek chetililen.
Weza kudesilt around 4 acres ya dump ambayo ilikuwa na uchafu. Hii ni baadhi ya zile dams ambazo mabeberu walioacha wakati ule, na ni tuko na zaidi ya dams 300, bwawa 300 ambayo iko katika kaunti yetu ya Uasin Gishu. Nataka nishukuru gavana wetu kwa sababu yeye ndio alielekeza hii project ifanywe na imefanyika vizuri. Pia nataka nishukuru wafanyikazi wa kaunti ambayo walishughulika kwa kufanya hii kazi mpaka ikakamilika. Hii ni baadhi ya nguzo ambazo gavana ako nazo. Maji ni nguzo namba 7 na gavana ako na nguzo 10, na kwa hiyo nguzo 10 zote ameziweka pamoja. Anasema maji ifanywe, maji ikishafanywa watu wanapata maji ya kukunywa, maji ya pia ya kufanya irrigation. Yeye anasisitiza kwamba tufanye irrigation ya kahawa na pia tuweze kupanda parachichi. So nashukuru gavana kwa hayo, na pia wananchi wa hapa Chemoror tunawashukuru sana kwa sababu wale ambao wamepata maji mmetumia maji haya kwa kuweza kwa maneno ya ukulima. So tuna
capacity ya hii dam kwa estimate yangu naona ni 50,000 meter cubed. Hiyo ni kusema ni 50 million liters. Hiyo 50 million liters kwa ile hesabu yangu tukifanya vizuri inafikia watu 6,000.
Wakati nilikuwa naomba kura nikawaahidi kwamba ni nini mngependa mfanyiwe. Nyinyi wenyewe mkasema tunahitaji maji kwa sababu sehemu hii maji iko mbali na mkulima anateseka na maji ya nyumbani hakuna, na nikawaambia kwa ile nguzo yangu 10, nguzo namba 7 inasimamia maji.
Kong'ete taunetab Eldoret eng county nebo Uasin Gishu, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Isaac Kogei.
Kaitlet eng betutab rani igorta nebo National Research Festival nekotestai eng sukulitab Egerton ole kaboisie kasaratak Principal Secretary nebo Science Research and Innovation Professor Shaukat Abdulrazak kosom Ministry nebo Chepkondok kotesyi kibagenge inotok rabisiek eng kaitetab kebeberta 1 anan 2 eng bogol chebo GDP eng mwaet kole mitei ng'ony eng inguni chepkondok chotok eng 80.8 eng bogol. Kinyoru reports kobun Dennis Kipchirchir.
Kongalali eng kasarta nekakere igorta nebo National Research Festival kokoito somet Principal Secretary nebo Science Research and Innovation Professor Shaukat Abdulrazak eng ministry nenamu rabinik eng emoni nebo kotesyi kibagenge inotok chepkondok kong'ete kaitet 1 akoi 2 eng bogol chebo GDP eng mwaet kole bune kaimutik icheket eng inguni kosubkei ak chepkondok cheng'ering'en chemite eng kaitetab 0.8 eng bogol.
For us to be able to leapfrog in using science, research and innovation in the area of food security, food safety, food sovereignty and nutrition, we must fund, and I'm advocating for at least 1 to 2% of the GDP to support this space of research and development, science, technology and innovation. It is very clearly spelled out that we need to set aside 2% of the GDP to support science, technology, innovation, research and development sector. At the moment, we are doing around 0.8% of that. So my appeal is if we can move to 1% of the GDP, I think we would be having something very meaningful that will be able to facilitate the research in our universities, in TVET, and also in the research institutions.
Kates komwa ine kole bendi ikochin walutik alak eng curriculum nebo somanet eng emoni eng sukulishekab barak nebo koker kole katoret kipsomaninik eng kasarta nekatar icheket somanenywa.
And now we are also be going to look at the curriculum in our schools, curriculum in the university to have the entrepreneurial sort of ideas, entrepreneurial mechanism of how we will be training our youth so that when they come out, they are also job creators and not just job seekers. So I am urging the institutions of higher learning to rethink of the pedagogy, the curricula that is there, so that we can be able to have people who will be able to come out with entrepreneurial mind to be able to address the challenges of the society.
Kamwa Professor Shaukat kole kaimuch kosulda ikoratak eng oret neinegei akobendi koityin kamanut cherutik tugul chekoimong alak eng kabatik koboto chikilik eng ikoratak.
So I think it's been a wonderful week by all standards, and everybody is living here appreciating the job that is being done in our universities, appreciating the talents that we have in our youth, and be able now the ideas needs to be taken out so that we can be able to have an impact. I'm very happy. I'm leaving this place very satisfied. We had an excellent audience as well, very engaged discussions. The youth really demonstrated.
Kakosom meng'ikab county nebo Nandi chemeng'isie eng ole nekite timwek cheterter chemiten county nebo Nandi kechomchi kobat ichek mbarenik eng timwek chotok eng kasarta neribe icheket kora timwek chotok. Abit nitok eng kasarta netesetai serikali koborchingei kolsetab ketik bilion 15 eng emet koite kenyitab 2032 ole kasom Zipporah Toroitich ne ine grupetab Offset no eng ripsetab timwek eng emet kole nyalu eng biikab emet konamgei eun ak serikali eng ripsetab itonwekab emet. Kinyoru report kobun Nelson Tarbei.
Kamwa meng'ichoto bo Kimondi kole some serikali kokachomchinet nebo kobat mbarenik eng timwek cheterter chemite county nebo Nandi.
Tungeomba serikali tusaidie ili tupate kulima hapa, tupate mazao ili hizi miti wakati zinakuwa tunasichunga.
Wacha wananchi wa hapa waweze kupanda vyakula vyao ili waweze kutunza hizi miti. Kwa vile wakilima hapa ndani na waweke vitu ya lower crop ambaye ni marakwe, mboga, nini, itasaidia sana kutunza hizi miti.
Yamis ichek kole bendi koribe timwek choto ole some ichek kechomchi kokol amitwogik cheterter.
Saa hii hatutawachilia ama ng'ombe kukura ama nini, tutahifadhi hii miti na ionekane kweli wakaaji ya Korongi wana haja ya miti.
Kosubkei ak nito komwa CC nebo mbarenik eng serikalitab county nebo Nandi Hilary Serem koboto DCC nebo Nandi Central Alfred Chilo kole nyalu eng meng'ikab county nebo Nandi chemeng'isie eng ole nekite timwek korib timwek choto.
Those who have been encroaching on the land to desist from doing so. Those who want to graze on this area, we are asking them that please, this is not the right time. Let's wait for the trees to grow, and when the government provides opportunity through that arrangement where you protect the environment, you protect.
Miti tuliyopanda leo tuilinde, tuhakikishe kwamba imekuwa ndio msimu wa mvua ukiisha miti iko imeshikamana.
Kangalaldos ichek eng timdab Kimondi ole kamwa Zipporah Toroitich ne ine rupeiwotab Offset neindochin ripsetab timwek eng emet kole borchingei serikali koityi kaitet nebo kolsetab ketik bilionishek 15 ko oret agenge nebo kerib itonwekab emet.
And the CFAs are recognized by law that they work to help us to support plant trees. We have a process called forest plantation establishment livelihood improvement, whereby we allow people to plant crops as we plant the trees.
Kong'etege county nebo Nandi logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Nelson Tarbei.
Tesetai kowendi barak mung'aret eng mbugetab Masai Mara kosubkei ak toek chetesetai korutechin mbuganotok ole mitei barak kaitetab kiprutoinik chebendi mbuganotok asikokerchigei tiong'ik chenotin ko wild beast cheujini mbugetab Masai Mara kong'ete mbugetab Serengeti eng emetab Tanzania.
Majina anaitwa Joseph Kakonzo, mimi ndio manager wa hii kambi ya Matira Bush Camp. Timu nzuri ambao ni wakati wa peak season, biashara zinaendelea vizuri, biashara zimepeak vizuri sana, na ningependa kurudisha shukrani kwa county government kwa sababu wameweza kuweka mikakati mizuri kabisa ku make sure that park inaweza kuwa na sanity, inaweza kuwa na usawa, na tunaona ndio kwa biashara si vile imepeak kama miaka zingine, lakini with time, because the key aim ni kurudisha the sanity, bringing back the old Mara which was full of pride, full of sanity, na kusafisha zile mambo zingine ambazo hakuna. Hii tumekuwa tukiona juzi watu wanakimbia kutoka hapa na pale, magaida ambao sio professional wanakuja wanakimbia wanafanya vitu ambazo hazifai katika hii park. So tunashukuru na tunasema tuendelee hivyo, na tuna hope if this goes well, in the coming few years we are going to have the Mara we used to have, so the glorious Mara that we used to have in them days. Kuna tukio ambalo lilifanyika siku 2 zilizopita katika kivuko cha Wild Beast, na we want to condemn that with highest order, na tuseme kama tungekuwa na professional guides pale, wangeweza kuruhusu wageni waweze kushuka, waweze kwenda pale. Ndio pale kuna siting ya pale kuna washrooms ambapo wageni ukuja, wanashuka, wanaenda kujisaidia, lakini kama tungekuwa na professional guides wange direct wale wale wageni wasiende kwenye mto, na kisa cha kwenda kwenye pale mto ndio kiliweza kusababisha wale wanyama kukuwa na wakati mgumu wa kuvuka. So tuna condemn hiyo na tunasema a message we are sending to all the guides out there, let us be professional, let us give the best because we are the image.
Majina naitwa Gladys Kudate, natoka hapa tu Talek. Tunashukuru gavana yetu kwa sababu ametupea chance ya kuuza hizi mashanga, kwa sababu kama si yeye hatungekuwa huku, na tunashukuru kwa yoyote kwa sababu watoto wetu wanaenda shule juu ya hii mashanga na tunakula vizuri juu ya mashanga. Wa hizi mashanga yetu tunashona tukiuza. Tunashukuru. Tunashukuru tu kwa sababu hatulali njaa, tuko sawa.
Naitwa Norparago Silandoi. Nakaa hapa nauza kitu ya wakeni. Shauri ya kazi ya mtoto naenda shule. Leo nataka pesa. Kwa biashara mzuri nakuja hapa nauza shanga na blanketi na leso, alafu nauza yote. Sungu na shugua yote nauza leso 1,000, nauza shiti 2,000. Alafu biashara ni mzuri, safi sana. Hakuna shida. Na pia kazi, alafu natengeneza hapa, alafu natoa hapa kwa Kirio, kwa Sikinani, alafu nafanya kazi mzuri.
Pande ya TRA license, hiyo lazima serikali aingilie kati, sababu najua kwa hii industry tuko na wakora mingi sana huko kwa hii industry ya tourism, sababu wageni ni watu unaweza danganya, unaweza mwambia anything na hawa nakubaliana, sababu anafikiri wewe ni professional ya hii kazi, lakini watu wengi sio professional. Naonanga wageni akikuja analia, unasema pesa yao imeibiwa na hajafanywa kazi. So mimi naona hiyo kitu iingiliwe kabisa na hiyo kitu ikwame kabisa, sababu hakuna vile tutakuwa wa Kenya na tuko na hii industry mzuri hivi na inaleta pesa Kenya, alafu watu wanakuja kuharibu. Hii hatuwezi kubali. Naona sasa hii watu kama hujasomea hii kazi ya wanyama, ukikuja huko ndani umetumwa tu, umekuja tu, labda kampuni moja imekutuma na ujui ile kitu inastahili ufanye kwa ndani ya hifadhi kama hii, unasaribu kila kitu huko. Na unajua wanyama, ile experience tuko nayo ya wanyama haitaki kusumbuliwa kabisa, inastahili kupatiwa heshima na apatiwe nafasi yao kwa hifadhi hii imehifadhiwa na government ama community.
Tesetai chopchinetab kei nebo labatetab edition nebo aeng nebo Belgut Marathon eng Jumapili kong'ete sait aeng nebo karon ole mitei labatoshek cheterter chebo 21 km, 10 km ak 5 km. Ngenyoru reports kobun Robert Siele.
Javet kemeit akaten ketisi noton nebo Kass TV tetu noton nebo Kass Mashinane, tos mangen ale en nguni akere tesetai tukomiten betut agenge kobaten kabarunoik tugul ko isulda betut noton. Tos mangen ale tos ne kit netesetai en nguni ak kochopchindoi takano?
Kongot mising, kainenyu ko Javet Kemei, anendet ko chairman nebo Athletics Kenya en Kericho County, ako kora ko chairman nebo Local Organizing Committee nebongoni urerionieb Belgut Half Marathon ne kiyoe en betutab Jumapili. So abaibai amwa ale bongonutik tugul ko kokiwong'u, kit nekong'et kityo kikeni rwoikyok en betutab karon mutai en kainet nebo Kalenjin konyokoib running numbers chechwaket chenyolu kou ng'atutikab Athletics Kenya konyolu konyo chi age tugul konyokopiken nambarinyin, mamiten chomchinet kiyok chito age amun nguni kemiten ak ng'atutikab Anti-Doping Agency of Kenya che kimache kerib ngalekab ngolset age tugul biik che mara kikoboisien kerichek mamokotin ko cheikoito running numbers ko staff from ADAC. En banganutik tugul ko kiwongu kuikaramwa en kikepiman kosit ne noton korwoen wachezaji en betunoton bo Jumapili. Kitinye categories somok chebo ureriet. Category netai ako the main one en kenyini ko in category nebo 21 kilometers ne noton ko half marathon nekitou en Jamji Factory ak kebwa kenyor lam ko ak yakitu premier kebwa ngetokyike Kabianga ak kemongu en Kabianga kemongyi tablotin ak kisibu orani epsosio 21 kilometers 5 kilometers ak 10 kilometers ko tugul ketorchin karibu gate B nebo Sosiat Girls. So kamwa urerietab 21 kilometers ale kitounen Jamji Factory ko ureriet nebo 10 kilometers ketounen kokakibwa tai kiten towards Sosiot en komostab Chemnyoga. Category nebo let ako noton ko 5 kilometers ketounen tablotin ak kisib kora oraniton ak ketorchi a common finish. So ki biikab Athletics Kenya ko kokecheng biik chetu kotelelchin urerioni en komoswek mbalimbali che choton ko officials, technical officials ako icheket ko chekikosomonji akobo kasinaton. So makitinye wasiwasi age tugul amun kokikochi officials icheket konai age tugul ole tun konyokoyoe komosta ainon. En betutab karon kora kenyoru chief officials. Chief officials ketinye tuyet nebo briefing en tomorrow kora. And the rest of the officials ketuitosi very early in the morning on the material day. Kokakialu keten chi tugul komosta neyoe.
Mangen alen nguni ko tos biik ata mara kokosirgei ako procedure ko keker siretabgei ako tos ko procedure ko ne mara ko en chito nekotom ako ata biik nguni che mara kosirgei.
Kosibkei ak edition netai nekikitinye en 2023 nebo urerioni ko boiboenjin wachezaji urerioni kabisa ne nguno siretabgei ko mi barak en by now ketinye biik over 500 che kokosirgei.
Mitei barak boiboiyet eng siretab kapsoit eng county nebo Kericho eng taksetab kipsomaniat nebo sukulitab Kennegood Day eng county nebo Kericho nekoibeljigei gold aeng eng urerietab East Africa Championships chebo secondary school chekoiwangei eng konekit.
Sinata nebo Kass TV tos mangen ale kiguren ngo ako igorto nebetab raini kobo kamanut netiana en mengikab komasi ak labatet.
Kainenyu ko Donald Bet, chairman nebo Eagles Athletic Camp. Tinye kapsoit ra koib gold medal oeng nebo 400 meters hurdles ak 4x100 meters relays. So boiboiyet nekitinye kapsoit ak mengikab kapsoit ak Eagles Athletics Camp nekitinye en Kennegood ko kiboiboi komi kochi komi kwandab lakwet kiboiboi kabisa en kasit nekoyayak.
Okay, so en betuni ab raini kainenyun korong kekurenon Koshele kochayatab Kipkurui anan Vincent nekomuch koibwech gold medal oeng. Keib gold medal oeng ko en that labatanan kolobate labatet nebo 4x400 meters hurdles ko kochang challenges nolene kora koib eutab Jehova ako toretech Mungu kot koit yon. Ak kit age boiboiyenyun ko kakocher ak rwoik chemi betetab Kipkurui ako kakoik kora role model ako kakobor kole imukokse kit age tugul. Challenges chekitindoi en tuguk chekiboisien, tuguk chekisire kocham kelume ketik, kitindoi challenges chechang ako motivation age netorete sikobit koit yon Kipkurui. Kiweche kongoi en kandoik kingowinen Kipkurui en labatet nekibo Kenya Mjujo nekikiyai sikobit keba Eastern Africa. Ko kikiappreciaten ak kekoi kora promises nekimongu kora en betuniab raini ko kekoi Kipkurui promises chekikakimwochi kelenji yekailabatu ak iwinen inyoru
Ake noton ko Vincent Kipkoech tos mang nale mwawech imiten sukul aino ako imiten formata ako kitaunda itano ikasta en betab raini kora.
Awekini kongoi Mungu korong amun en kokosuldewan tarait chu ami. Aleni sukulit nami ami Kenegute sukulit nami ako ami form 2. Aleni awekini kongoi Mungu ako awekini kongoi our coach. Ak principal ang matam nako mutatan takeit lokokit. Kokinam ang matam kongete ngweny. Akebang matam kabisa. Akot kongorobani en oli. Kulecha matam mawendi tari laba. Ako awekini kongoi matam kabisa amu maomanda laba.
General ko kiune labatet en betunoton kiitinye kamang'unet nami labatet ko kiitinye kamang'unet nebo ibelishe kine experience.
Kimonde kamang'unet nebo abelis korong amu kikarobon akoyait kiwanjet. Kwai kisipte almost 60 kilometers sibekerwe. En lekibore after Bukungu Stadium keba 60 kilometers sibekerwe. En college nikimi yunda. Ko kikakeba 60 meters kimatonde kamang'unet. Lakini manyor support.
Chitab Kalenjin kakitukyo takaimetab logoiwek chebo emet kakimuch kebun kong'ete studio nebo Kass TV kikurenan Jacqueline Arusei ak amagun kit age tugul nemie.